Hello everyone, I am Superintendent Lyndon David of the Royal St. Christopher Nevis Police Force. Today I am here to bring you awareness regarding 2019 Caribe Wave exercise. Exercise date will be the 14th of March, and we're hoping that those who are participating with us in this exercise will have fun and at the same time will demonstrate to persons who will not be there that being aware of tsunamis is something that we all should take very seriously and be willing to know, one, our assembly area whenever disaster strikes in terms of tsunami. And to what to do and what not to do when you get a call to evacuate. And also, how would you cooperate and support responding agencies like the police, defense force, fire, and our health department. So, enjoy 2019 exercise.